Sounds peculiar. I bought this a couple years ago. Paint at the front because I like the gray. Name brand's what you see. Boombot Mini. It's fucking weird as hell. That's a Polaroid USB charger. Okay? Just wait. I gotta show you this. Here's the power charger. It's plugged in the wall. Not plugged in, you can see it. Don't worry about. This is a normal cord. Freaks the fuck out of you if you watch this. Sorry for the bad recording. It's actually taking the power from this box, charging up fucking anything on there. Somehow it's draining in reverse this Bluetooth. Don't matter what it is. It is not draining from anything else. It's draining. It don't matter what cord I use. It drains from the Bluetooth. Do not know